So this is just a quick video on why I got the GLOCK 19X. The two major reasons. Number one is I didn't have a Glock 9mm. I'm probably the only guy in the country who doesn't have a Glock 9mm pistol. So I figured about time I got one. And the other reason is I just like the way it looks. It's a pretty cool looking pistol. So I figured if I was going to get a Glock 9mm, I'm going to get this one. Of course, if you read everything on the internet or magazines or whatever about this, a lot of people don't like it. I don't know why. They said, oh, you should probably get the Glock 45. It's better. It's the same thing, but it's better. I don't know. Some of the things people said they don't like about this. You can't conceal carry it very well. No, I didn't buy it to conceal carry. If I'm going to conceal carry, I carry this Ruger SR9C, or I'll carry my little Smith 38, or my other one is Glock 42. So, like I said, I don't carry this concealed. If I'm going to carry concealed, I'll do one of these. The other reason people don't like it, they say, this little lip right here doesn't allow you to use Gen 5 magazines. Well, I don't have any Gen 5 magazines, so I don't care. And when I grip the pistol, it just feels really good to me. The lanyard loop, I could care less about it. I can take it out if I want. I don't really care. It doesn't bother me. Another one, the Glock 45 front slide serrations. This doesn't have it. Just on the rear. But not a problem. One thing it does have that I like from the factory are the night sights that it comes with. You can get them in there. I'll take the night sights over the front slide serrations any day. Glock 19X. Everybody knows what it is. I'm not going to tell anything nobody doesn't already know. But that's why I like it. Magazines, I have 3 of these guys. They work just fine. I got one I've had forever. And then the magazines that it came with. So as far as not taking Gen 5 mags, doesn't matter. I don't have any. So anyway, that's the Glock 19X. And if it ever stops raining, I'll go out and shoot it.